Wednesday, November 11th. This is vlog number 10. If this vlog is a minute, I would be very surprised. And I'm kind of bummed about that because I had something really big planned for vlog number 10. Not a lot has changed since last week. I'm gonna show you a couple of the things that have changed, but I'm a little bummed. I wanted to have a big to-do for vlog number 10, and I was hoping that like the floor would all be poured. So maybe next week. All right, here are the changes. So here is all the plumbing that they're gonna be running underground. So they've got all the controls for some of the racks in. Gutters. Boring, but very important. I know for a fact that some of the floors for part of the racks have been poured, so I'm gonna go try and check those out and show that to you guys right now. Look how fast this guy goes. These are the first floors to be poured in the new shop. Those are the in-ground racks. Looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna get out of here.